Welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. You probably know that lubricating your rotational bearings on your tire seal machine is a great idea, but do you know the best way to keep your tire seal working to its full capacity? Let's go over these must-have daily, weekly, and monthly maintenance procedures for your tire seal machine. Tools and supplies needed: safety glasses, grease gun and a cleaning cloth, towel, and hot water. Daily, close inspection of your tire seal machine is needed for optimal performance. So we'll go right into daily maintenance first. Check all your lines and fittings for leaks. Repair or replacing them as needed. Clean the brushes thoroughly, removing any grease, oil, or debris that may hinder their performance. Observe the tire brushes in action to confirm proper operation. Listen for unusual noises and check for vibration, bouncing, or misalignment. Lastly, manually test the retract operation to guarantee smooth and proper travel, addressing any issues promptly. With weekly maintenance, focus on keeping the tire seal machine's components well lubricated and clean every week. Apply grease to the rotational bearings on the tire brush shaft to prevent wear and tear. Additionally, clean the tire brushes thoroughly by cycling hot water through the system. Simply pull your chemistry lines out of the drum, place them in a bucket of hot water, and override everything, pumps included. We'll not only keep the brushes clean, but we'll flush out our chemistry lines, and we'll also help keep the manifolds clean for a more even application. Regular weekly care helps extend the machine's service life and sustain optimal functionality. Finally, let's review the mandatory monthly maintenance. Monthly inspections and lubrication are essential for long-term reliability. Grease all pivotal bearings on the hanger framework. If you have an older tire shine unit, our TBG 200, you have 16 pivotal bearings, while our newer brush, the TBG 300, has 8. Check all hardware and fittings for tightness and secure any loose components. Finally, assess each tire brush for wear. If the entrance end shows sign of damage, you can flip the brush over to extend its life. In conclusion, consistent maintenance is the key to ensuring your tire seal machine operates optimally while minimizing downtime and costly repairs. By following these daily, weekly, and monthly preventative maintenance routines, you're not only maximizing your equipment's durability, but also maintaining its reliability and efficiency in the long run. A proactive approach to care and inspections will keep your equipment running smoothly, safeguard your investment, and ensure consistent, high-quality results. That's all for now. As always, good luck and good washing.